Hello, in this video we are going to continue to learn how to find the composition of trig function, except that now our input is a variable. So let's begin with example number 19. So again, we do have two functions here, so we want to find the composition of two functions, sine and inverse cosine. So the first step, we will take care of the innermost function first. So sine x will stay. So now for the inverse of cosine of x, it will give us an angle. Okay, and again you say, what is that angle? It is an angle. Now we use this information to create a triangle so that we can find the missing information. Okay, so I'm go ahead and have a right triangle, and label the angle theta. And for cosine, now here we only have x. Now cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. If you see nothing in the denominator, you will put 1. Okay, so here. So our next step now is that we need to find the opposites. So to find the opposites, we are going to use the Pythagorean Theorem. So I'm just call this as y. Okay, so I'm trying to find y. Okay, so to find y, I'm going to go ahead and use the Pythagorean theorem. To be x squared plus y squared equal 1 squared. Okay, or y squared equal 1 minus x squared, and take the square root both sides. So be 1 minus square root of x squared. And again, we just take the positive, so we ignore the negative. So now sine. So here sine is the opposite, and the opposite is y. But in this case, when we write in terms of x, so y is 1 minus x squared divided by the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 1. So therefore, we can simplify this. We can conclude that sine theta is just square root of 1 minus x squared, or we can rewrite as the composition of sine and inverse cosine x equal 1 minus x squared. Okay, so let's look at the example number 20. So here we want to find the composition of two functions, cosine and inverse tangent. So again, we start with the innermost function. So we start with the inverse tangent first. So that will give us cosine, and the inverse tangent that give us the angle theta. And again, we use the information here to get our right triangle, and we label our angle theta, and tangent is opposite over adjacent, but we don't see the denominator, so by default the denominator will be 1. So now next step, we are going to find the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse, I'm going to go ahead and call it r. Okay, so now we go ahead and find the hypotenuse, or find r. So again, we use the Pythagorean theorem, we have 1 squared plus x squared equal r squared. Then we'll take the square root both sides. So 1 plus x squared square root will be r. Okay, so therefore now we go back here. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back to the cosine function. And cosine of the angle theta is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So 1 divided by r, but r will be replaced by 1 plus x squared. Or we can conclude that the composition of the two functions cosine and inverse tangent of x is the expression 1 over square root of 1 plus x squared. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.